Hello everyone, Merv here for a pro overview of Omni Cube's latest innovation. Does this look familiar? Say goodbye to the days of tape that leaves behind sticky residue, has difficult to tear edges and a weak hold. Introducing our solution, Kung Fu tape. Unlike other tapes, Kung Fu tape won't leave sticky, gummy, tacky, hard to remove residue on your stone. It also won't bleed into the pores of the stone or epoxy, and can be cleanly removed for up to 10 days after application, saving you from the pains of scraping and cleaning your stone and saving valuable time. The adhesive is strong yet gentle, kind of like a panda. That is important on delicate natural materials where other tapes often pull small bits out of the stone when removed. Kung Fu tape's polyethylene backing is durable and flexible. This allows it to securely hold heavy miters without ripping, and because it's flexible and durable, it keeps the seam tight while the epoxy cures. It acts like a clamp, comes off like a champ. Thanks to our serrated edges, there is no need to keep a razor blade with the tape or bite it with your teeth, as with other tapes. This unique sawtooth design makes tearing tape easy. Now that you've ripped it, where can you stick it? This tape can be applied to almost any surface, so no need to worry about your delicate natural stone or the fears you have of ghosting or the curse of shadowing in dark honed materials. Not to mention it can be removed and reapplied. Don't be afraid to mark up this tape. You can easily write on it without any ink transfer or bleeding. Whether you use a permanent marker or ballpoint pen, your product will remain completely clean. And look, it's easy to erase. How useful is that? Kung Fu tape can be used in the stone industry for setting seams, mitering edges, protecting fragile material, templating, or mixing epoxy. But it doesn't stop there. This amazing tape is also great for floor installation, cabinet building, woodworking, glass handling, construction and general repairs, and so much more. And what's more, you won't break the bank in purchasing a roll or in lost time of picking and pulling off old tape or in cleaning residue off stone. Simply rip it and stick it. Check out our website to see how you can unlock the power of Kung Fu tape. Until next time, cheerio.